Hello everyone, WRP is today's chariot, so let's hand over for an intro.
Well, good morning guys. We are at the Crown Plaza Hotel in Nottingham, as you can see from the sign just there. And we are here to do just about the shortest journey in the world. So more of that in a minute, but we are here to pick up the GB men's ice hockey team, who are going not far around the corner, to be fair, to the Motorpoint Arena for something. I guess I'll find out when I meet someone what it is they're going for. So yeah, coming up, very short journey.
So this is the entire journey in real time. The only thing I've done is cut out some waiting at traffic lights. You'll see how short it is. So coming up is a little bit of confusion about exactly where I was supposed to be dropping these guys off. I think part of the confusion lies around whether you describe where we're going as the front or the back of the building, and I think what I would describe as the back, the first place we stop you'll see, I think they were calling the front. or at least they were calling the other side of the front, but then what they thought was the back was a bit further down. Anyway, you'll see. There's a bit of discussion backs and forwards about exactly where I'm supposed to drop these guys off, and that's nothing unusual when you're not quite sure and they're not quite sure. You have to work these things out together, but obviously remaining, professional throughout. But we got there, as you'll see, and we got them all dropped off. So that's coming up. On my way to parking, after I dropped them off, I made a little mistake in turning into this road that I shouldn't have done, so let's see what happens. Well, it turned out to be GB Men's, and it wasn't a competition, they're in practice. So they've got a number of practice sessions before they would fly off to Romania for their group in the Worlds. So that's what we did today. Took them down, a little bit of faffing getting the right place where we needed to drop them off. We had to go both back and front, but it was all right. We got there in the end, guys, all happy. So I've got a bit of time off now, and then I'm back to picking them up again to take them back to the hotel later on. This is the return journey back from the arena to the hotel. It was even shorter than the journey there because we didn't have to go around so much of the one way, but here it is, sped up for your enjoyment. And last of all, I know I've done some videos already showing some of the process of fueling and washing vehicles. Not sure I've shown this one, and this is just literally a bug splatter issue that they just don't come off very easily, so I always make a point of giving the screen and the front of the bus a bit of a good scrub with some soapy stuff we've got just to try and get those bugs off. So just a little shot of me doing a bit of yard work at the end of the day before putting the bus through the wash and then sorting out and putting it to bed for the night. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video as always. Please like and subscribe. As always, please leave a comment below. As always, tune in for the next one. Take care everyone. Drive safe. See you soon.